Hey friends, are you ready to count some big jumps with me? Let's get our stomping feet and jumping legs ready. Look, here comes a shiny red truck. One red truck. He wants to jump. Let's help him out. Stomp your feet. Rumble, rumble, rumble. The red truck is driving up the ramp. Jump so high. Crunch. Pause. Clap hands. Wow! He landed right on top of some old cars. Now what's next? Here come two blue trucks. 1, 2. The blue trucks want to jump too. Wiggle your body and stomp those feet. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Up the ramp they go. Ready? Jump so high. Crunch. Pause. Clap hands. Whoa, that was a huge jump. But wait, here come 3 green trucks. 1, 2, 3. These green trucks are super bouncy. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Up the ramp. Ready to jump? Jump so high. Crunch. Pause. Clap hands. They smashed those cars flat. Let's do it one more time. 1 red truck, 2 blue trucks, 3 green trucks. That's a lot of monster trucks. Which truck was your favorite? The red, the blue, or the green? I love them all. Monster trucks are so cool, and counting their big jumps is super fun. Thanks for jumping and counting with me today. Remember, only monster trucks can do these giant jumps, so keep your jumps safe and small at home. See you next time for more counting fun. Bye-bye.